The Albanian Army aviation maintenance is a critical part of the Albanian Army's ability to maintain its air assets. The Albanian Army Aviation Maintenance Team is responsible for the maintenance of all aircraft, helicopters, and other air assets used in the Army's operations. Maintenance is a critical part of the Army's operations and the safety of its personnel and equipment. The Albanian Army Aviation Maintenance Team is comprised of highly trained and experienced personnel. The team is responsible for the regular maintenance and repair of all aircraft and helicopters. This includes engine maintenance, maintenance of the airframe, and regular inspections. The maintenance team also handles the installation of new components and systems, as well as routine maintenance and repairs. The Albanian Army Aviation Maintenance Team also works closely with the Army's Flight Operations Team to ensure that all aircraft are safe and ready for flight. The team is responsible for ensuring that all aircraft are in compliance with the Army's regulations and standards. They also coordinate with the Army's supply and logistics teams to ensure that all necessary parts and supplies are available for maintenance. The Albanian Army Aviation Maintenance Team is also responsible for the safety of all personnel and equipment. This includes ensuring that all aircraft and helicopters are in good working condition and that all safety protocols are followed. The team is responsible for the training of all personnel who work on the aircraft and helicopters, as well as the maintenance of safety equipment. The Albanian Army Aviation Maintenance Team is a critical part of the Army's operations. The team works hard to ensure that all aircraft and helicopters are in good working condition and that all personnel are safe and ready for flight. The team is responsible for the maintenance of all aircraft and helicopters, as well as the safety of all personnel and equipment. The team works hard every day to ensure that the Army's air assets are ready to take to the skies.